8th floor, unit 805. This is your view. There is a 75 by 11, incredibly long extending wraparound terrace. Gorgeous wood floors. Nice neutral palette. Open floor plan. Straight ahead is the bonus room, which is staged currently as a 3rd bedroom. To my right, on the south end of the condo, is the 2nd bedroom, and it is en suite, very elegant. The backdrop is the gorgeous water. Walking through the dining room, wet bar, your front foyer. Elevator opens up to your home. That is your 2nd room, your bonus room with 2 oversized bunk beds for the grandkids. This is your foyer to your master suite. To the right, a powder room, but it is a full bathroom with a shower for that bonus room guest. Your master suite with gorgeous views. The Gulf of Mexico. Got the music going. Look at those views, the Gulf. Access to the terrace. Wood flooring throughout. Look at this master bathroom, how luxurious. Wall-to-wall mirrors. A nice vanity. And this is a good one. The bathroom even has a bidet. A lot of bathrooms in Europe have bidet. And a stand-up shower, separate. And you have his and hers closet, and even an extra fridge, wet bar for your coffee station. Then we're here, we're coming into your kitchen with a nice island. Look at the gorgeous granite. Check out that view. I could do dishes all day long with those views. This is unit 805 at the Ritz Carlton Beach Residences. Today is March 28th, I believe, Saturday. Make it a great day. If you would like a private showing of this stunning unit, please feel free to reach out, direct message me. This is truly the lifestyle, the Gulf of Mexico as your backdrop. Make it a great day. Cheers.